Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, guys. Now Babydoge coins start pumping, guys, and that is the good news video for all of you guys. Anyways, guys, before starting this video, I request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of Babydoge coin in the market is very low, guys. You can see here after a bundle of 0.0623 USD dollar. The price of Babydoge coin is very low, guys, and I think, guys, that is a huge opportunity for short time investor, those people who want to invest in Babydoge coin in a crypto. So I suggest for all of you, invest in a Babydoge coin if you want to invest for a short time, guys. Now you can see here 0.48% positive changes occur in last 24 hours, and now you can see here right now live, this is live update of Babydoge coin, guys. The price become positive, guys. Oh my god, now it is beginning of a huge pump, guys. Just look here. Now from here price pump dump, and now again the price start pumping, guys. So I hope, guys, now they continue this pump to the last of September, and again possibly that in the beginning of October the price of Babydoge coin will take a huge pump, guys. So just hold, guys. It's time to hold. I recommend to hold Babydoge coin for 20 days, for 10 days, guys. Now Babydoge coin are going very positive in the market, guys. Anyways, now if we look the trading volume, so trading volume is negative because a lot of people decide to sell. That's why the previous change is negative, guys. But now again the people are investing in Babydoge coin, so that's why this price become positive, guys. And I also believe on Babydoge coin that they will take a huge pump in the October, guys. That's my prediction. Anyways, what is your prediction? What is your opinion about Babydoge coin? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.